Evo, a convincing win tonight?
Yeah, I thought we were, to be fair, I thought we were the better team up for the full 90 minutes. You know, I don't think they caused us many problems. And I thought at times we played some great football. We were sloppy at times as well. I think, you know, lads, you know, trying to do their own thing at times. But all in all, a really pleasing evening.
Yeah, two teams at the bottom of the league at the start of the evening. How crucial was to get that early goal?
Yeah, it was massive. You know, it set the tone, didn't it? And we didn't look back. You know, I said last week that we haven't really put 90 minutes together a lot this year. You know, we played really well for 60, 70, you know, minutes against Britain Ferry. We put the 90 minutes in, and against Aber, we've put the 90 minutes in. So, you know, it's looking good.
Corp, disappointed with that performance tonight?
Yeah, massively. I thought Fflint were outstanding tonight. I thought they were physically strong. They looked fit. They made right decisions, and they were clinical. And fair play to them. You know, we had passages, but not good enough.
Yeah, it must be disappointing. You probably had a game plan to try and nullify their attack, and you conceded within 3 minutes.
Yeah, of both halves. You know, first half again, I thought we were, you know, we showed good signs in the first 3-4 minutes, and then from our own throw-in from there, we concede. And then again from, you know, we were on the attack for the second goal. We've put a cross in, and yet they've put a ball for us and scored. and the third's the same, like, you know, one ball over the top and they score. But they seem to have wanted it more than us tonight. And I've told them that in the change room. They wanted it more than us tonight. And I told them that if you want to get out of a situation, take a leaf out of their books.
Hat-trick hero, go with the flow tonight?
Yeah, nice one. It was nice to get a hat-trick today. You know, I think overall it was a great team performance. You know, we came in and straight from the start, you know, I think we were all over them. We moved the ball really well, and I'm really pleased to get a hat-trick today. But I think it was all about the team today, you know, and yeah, I'm really happy.
Yeah, strikers normally come in a pair, and obviously you've got to be grateful for the assist by co-striker Josh Jones.
Yeah, 100%. I think like just the movement like together, I think we really understand each other really well. And yeah, he put a great shift today, and I think my goals is like down to him as well for his movement and just his vision as well to find me every time. So yeah, again, really grateful to him, and unlucky for him to not get a goal in today, but I think he's a great player, and yeah, I'm really grateful for the performance he put in today as well.
Big game coming up on Saturday against Ymateb.
Yeah, very important game. I think every game's now. I think we've got 2 games before the split, or 3 games before the split. I think they're all important. We just have to like use today's game as a momentum and go into Saturday with that confidence and try to put a same performance as well. I think it's going to be a different game, but with the team we have, we just got to keep on doing what we do, and I think we can be confident to get a result on Saturday. Yeah.